Hey, it's Paul Kaplan, and happy Monday. We're very excited here at the Paul Kaplan Group. We can't believe it. It's another Modernism Week is coming starting on Thursday night. And we're looking forward to all the activities and all the people coming to town, the various tours and lectures. If you've never been to Modernism Week, we highly encourage you to check it out. I think you can still get tickets. Go to modernismweek.com. But we've got a lot going on. We are going to be at the Modernism show at the Convention Center. That's starting this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it's a show where you can buy anything vintage, clothing, jewelry, of course, furniture, artwork, and you can buy a home there too. So we'll stop by our booth. Our agents will be there to answer questions. We'll have a bunch of flyers. You can see what's on the market. We're giving away our token keychains. And if they come in on time, we'll have some Paul Kaplan Group pens as well. But we'd love to see you. It's a fun event. It's very social. And it's great to see all the different mid-century items that they have for sale there. Click below as well, and you'll see our list for open houses that we'll have this week. We've got a number of cool properties coming up by noted architects that aren't listed yet, and we're hoping that we can get those together and put them out there in time for you to come and take a look at it. We hope we'll see you at those open houses as well. So Modernism Week goes on for basically 10 days, so we'll have stuff going on this weekend as well as next weekend. But during the week, there's all kinds of things to do as well. Tours and parties and things like that. So we hope to see you around town, and we hope you have a great time enjoying Palm Springs and the surrounding areas and everything modern. So we hope to see you soon.